A clean-looking car isn't always a well-protected car. The right detailing products don't just improve shine. They help protect your paint, interior, wheels, and trim from everyday wear. But with hundreds of detailing products available, which ones actually deliver the best results? In this video, we're reviewing the most important detailing products based on their cleaning performance, ease of use, protection, and overall value to help you choose the right products for your vehicle. Let's get started. Cleaning performance. The foundation of every detailing job starts with a quality car wash soap. A good formula lifts dirt safely without removing existing wax or ceramic protection. For wheels and tires, dedicated cleaners remove stubborn brake dust much more effectively than regular car shampoo. Glass cleaners improve visibility without leaving streaks, while interior cleaners safely remove dust, fingerprints, and everyday grime from plastic, leather, and vinyl surfaces. Each product has a specific purpose, and using the right one makes a noticeable difference. Protection and finish. Cleaning is only half of the detailing process. Protection is what keeps your vehicle looking better for longer. Products like spray waxes and ceramic detail sprays add a protective layer that helps repel water, dirt, and road grime. Many also increase gloss, making routine washing easier while reducing the chance of contaminants sticking to the paint. If long-term appearance matters, paint protection is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Ease of use. Most modern detailing products are designed for beginners as well as experienced detailers. Spray-on formulas, microfiber towels, and ready-to-use cleaners make the process quick without requiring professional equipment. Even a basic detailing kit can produce impressive results with just a little time and proper technique. So, are premium detailing products worth buying? For most vehicle owners, the answer is yes. Quality products clean more effectively, provide better protection, and often last longer than cheaper alternatives. If you're building your first detailing kit, start with a quality car wash soap, microfiber towels, wheel cleaner, interior cleaner, and a ceramic spray protectant. Those 5 essentials will handle most detailing jobs while keeping your vehicle looking cleaner and better protected throughout the year. If you'd like to check today's prices and customer reviews, you'll find links to recommended detailing products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.